carrots. It has branch, Mommy.
Branch?
Yeah.
Cool.
He's so mad.
Oh, he's so mad, that branch.
Yeah.
So
Poppy is happy.
And Poppy is always happy. We're in Porterville, California, almost to the ranch. We are here to do some work. Ranch work is really hard. It's really physical.
That way.
So this is where you're gonna put it? And I don't know, after being in the city, it feels good to just roll up your sleeves and just put down your phone and get some real work done. So I was joking with my cousin last time we were working in the lemon grove. We could get people in Los Angeles to pay us to do a farmer's workout. Like we'd brand it as like a workout technique. Yeah, what's up? Declan's lost both of his bottom teeth. Deco is all grown up.
No, I'm grown up.
You're grown up. You are grown up, baby Roz. Declan, I feel like you might be too big for the shopping cart. She's saying no. She's saying no. I'm gonna tackle you. Baby Roz is driving on the ranch. That's pretty happy. You're doing it.
Do you mind if I show them the bathroom?
No, please.
Okay, come on through. It was newly remodeled, so the bathroom floor is all new. Shower, counters are original.
Yeah, these are nice.
Mirrors are new.
Yeah, they did a good job. There's the grove.
Oh, are you not gonna let us out? Okay.
What
is the password?
Let's
see it.
Master bedroom. Oh, check this out real quick. Master bedroom has its own private balcony.
Yeah, very fancy. Very romantic.
Wow. Ooh la la. Olele.
Right? Yeah, it's so nice out today. I wish I had shorts.
It's a beautiful day. I know. I didn't bring shorts. I didn't know how warm it was gonna be. Hey, Deck.
I rolled it at him.
So 2 guest bedrooms over here. One has a couple singles, bathroom in here.
Yeah,
I
bathtub.
think it's like 12 to 14.
Yeah, 12 people. I think 12.
12?
They converted the office into a bedroom.
There's a lot
Where
of
was the office?
It's off the kitchen. Yeah.
Is it the one with the
Yeah, that's the
marble
toy
and
closet.
That's my favorite too.
You want to be the troll in
This
here?
is a good house for hide and seek, I bet.
Game
Oh
control.
yeah, for sure. They love it.
For sure. I want to play.
Yeah.
Ah! Escaped, run!
Yeah, the living room. Can't forget this. I mean, this is my favorite room.
Fireplace.
All the natural light.
Dining
So great.
room in here. And then
Oh, that's okay.
kitchen. The heart of the home, right?
Oh, is this the heart right here?
This is
Yeah.
the heart.
Wow.
Oh,
Is that wood
Yeah.
the wood stove works.
Does
I'm pretty
it?
Sure.
I don't know about that.
Long time
Yeah,
ago.
I don't know that they use it
It's been a
anymore.
long time since
They
I've
probably
actually
don't
seen
want
it
guests using that.
Probably not.
Yeah, there's beautiful views off of this kitchen.
Nice to meet you.
That's Emma.
Hi, nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Clay. What?
And that's Clay.
Clay. Okay.
Thank you for having us.
The kids messed up this. This is a futon here. Someone could sleep here. That's a full, I think, or maybe
I think
a full. It's a full. Yeah.
It's like a really cool space.
Necky.
This was my grandpa's office.
Yeah.
My dad's office.
Make
And
you
now
video.
it's a bunk room with, what is that, like a queen on the bottom or a twin?
I think it's 2 fulls. I think it's 2 fulls.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For some reason I thought it was a bigger bed on the bottom than the top.
Yeah, no, I think it's 2 fulls, but which is great because I mean
Yeah.
you could sleep up to 4 people depending on the situation.
And then that was like my grandma's sewing nook in there.
And there was a huge wraparound porch.
And then that's Jewel.
This is great for outdoor dining. There's a barbecue. And then this wraps around the front of the house. I'm gonna pick up the tour where my cousin left off. This is the front entryway to the house here. These stairs go up. Oh my gosh, they're discovering the game room.
My grandpa reincarnated. Hey, check out the game room. We got what's
But
that?
that's my mom. She's
We have darts.
Air hockey,
Oh,
pool.
yeah. Declan's favorite is the air hockey. Mat table. Are you ready? There's Grandpa. We get like this.
Wait, Dad makes your hands not clean?
Yeah, that'll probably make you look.
Last one.
Standing on the corner with a nickel or a dime. There used to be a rail car to take you down the line. Too much beer and whiskey to ever be employed. When I got to Nashville, it was too much soul destroyed. Wasted on the wayside, wasted on the way. If I ain't gone tomorrow, you know I'm gone today. Back, baby, back in time. I wanna go back when you were mine. Back, baby, back in time. I wanna go back when you were mine. Black highway, all night drive, watching the towns fall away to the side. Clear channel, way down low. It's coming in loud, my mind let go. Peaches in the summertime, apples in the fall. If I can't have you all the time, I won't have none at all. Oh, wish I
Declan's
was
first time riding in the back of a pickup truck. Fun.
Sitting here in Nashville, Norman's Nashville. All your good time around us, listening to my sound.
We're out here in the garden doing some work, and it just started snowing. It's just a light, little bit of snow, which is fun for the kids because being in Los Angeles, you don't really see snow. Oh, it's just so pretty, you guys.
Wanna go back when you were mine. Back, baby, back in time. I wanna go back when you were mine. Hard weather, driving slow. Buggies in the heads, we're in town for a show. Oh, darling, the songs they play, all I got left
Our time's up. Wally's like, Mom!